Welcome to Great Choice.
Top 5 Best Gas-Powered Wood Chipper Review in 2022.
Top 1.
Patriot Products CSV 3065B 6.5 HP Bricks and Stratton Gas-Powered Wood Chipper Leaf Shredder. Powered by the rough and tough dependable Bricks and Stratton 6.5 HP engine. Makes quick work chipping 3-inch diameter branches into small coin-sized chips. Dual knives allow it to outwork many of its competitors' larger chippers. The 6Y hammers give it 12 cutting surfaces to shred piles of leaves in a hurry. Carb compliant.
Top 2.
BILT Hardwood Chipper Shredder Mulcher, 3 max capacity, heavy-duty 7 HP 3-in-1 multifunction gas-powered garden cutting shredder, with collection bag. Wood chipper shredder has a reduction ratio of 10:1 when using the top hopper for 1/2 max volume, chipping/shredding, side shoot cutting capacity for 3 max branch/limbs. The chipper with 7 HP 212 cubic centimeters horizontal 4-stroke single-cylinder OHV powerful gas engine. Unique designed check windows for faster replacement of blades and take out the stuck things, making your gardening work more efficient. Operate according to directions outlined in the user manual. Always wear the appropriate hand and eye protection. Used for forestry, gardens, landscaping to chip tree branches, twigs, and mulch leaves. Do not use for pine cones, palm branches, fronds will jam, petrified wood or vines.
Top 3.
Patriot Products CSV 2540H4 HP OHV Honda GX gas-powered wood chipper/leaf shredder. Powered by the easy starting and smooth running Honda GX 4 HP engine. Processes branches up to 2-1/2 inches in diameter. Easily shreds leaves into tiny pieces, ideal for composting and mulching. Lightweight and easy to maneuver. Weighs only 96 pounds. Carb compliant.
Top 4.
GARDENBEAUT S1 Wood Chipper Shredder Mulcher 7 HP 212 cubic centimeters heavy duty engine gas, powered 3-inch max wood diameter capacity 20:1 reduction ratio 1-year warranty after product registration. Wood chipper shredder has a 11.8-inch cutting rotor with 2 blades plus 6 hammers turning out smaller shreds with high feeding speed, grilling device on discharge outlet turning shreds and branches leaves into mulches. Built to be compact and lighter than other steel chippers, this design has a highly desirable vertical extended discharge chute with adjustable discharge guide to deliver accurate debris discharge, with the angled range of 90°-145 degrees. Powerful recoil starting 7 HP horizontal 4-stroke single-cylinder OHV gas-powered engine, handles up to 3 diameter wood without a problem, fuel W87 plus unleaded gasoline, no ethanol recommended, 0.7 gallons max capacity.
Top 5.
YARDBEAST 3514 429 cubic centimeters 14 HP wood chipper. Heavy 52 pounds rotor, its uniquely designed and high diameter disc optimizes torque recovery to maintain chipping power. Powerful 14 HP. 429 cubic centimeters Kohler CH440 engine. Heavy-duty NorAm professional clutch transmission with 2 high-power transfer belt. All steel fabrication, high-gauge steel and powder-coated. 2-year warranty.
Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.